after 6. So yesterday we had pilau for supper. I didn't take supper because it was late. I don't always take supper after 6. So I'm taking mine with tea for breakfast. So this is the pilau. Hi guys, I hope you are well from wherever you are watching this from. My name is Vivian. Welcome to my channel. If you have just stumbled into this video, feel very much welcome. I hope you enjoy the moment here. Please watch up to the end if you don't mind, and consider subscribing. Also, you can like, share and leave a comment. I really appreciate. So I decided to clean my fridge after taking my breakfast. I hadn't cleaned it in a while and there wasn't much inside, so I decided why not clean it before I decide on when to restock it. So this fridge has lasted me for quite a very long time. I think from 2016 or late 2015. So it's an old, very old model, but it's still functioning very well. So I just began by using the Magni all-purpose cleaner. I sprayed it. I removed everything that was inside the fridge, and plus also those I don't know how they are called, those compartments. I washed them, then I left them to dry, and after that I just returned them to the fridge. The fridge was also dry. I just used the Magni all-purpose cleaner to clean it. I didn't use any water or anything else. I know you can also use vinegar and water, or you can just clean it using soap if you so wish. So that is how I clean my fridge.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and all of my problems, and where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and all of my problems, and maybe I need a break, maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be. Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know must get it not back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't.
With cleaning the fridge, these drawers were really congested, so I wanted to somehow like declutter, but then I just decided also to clean once and for all. So I removed them. There was some much inside, and then there were some things that I needed to get rid of, so I just decided let me clean it, and I'm still using the magnet all-purpose cleaner to do it. My outfit is all thrifted except for the sandals that I got at a random shop at United Mall. The shop is known as Harley's Collection. United Mall is along Kisumu Kakamega Road. So the sunglasses that I'm wearing, I also got them at Naivas. I'm wearing a wig I got at Jumia. So my nails were really bad, and so I decided to go to Kucha Kisumu. Kucha Kisumu is also along Kisumu Kakamega Road, just opposite a school. There is a school there known as Highway Primary School, and then opposite there is that Kucha Kisumu. Kucha Kisumu is just next to a petrol station. So if you go there, the customer service is really good, and there are two ladies who do an excellent job. There are other ladies also do excellent jobs, but for me, the ladies who have good customer care, customer care is everything. There are two ladies there who have very good customer service and customer care. If you are interested, if you go there, just ask for either Maureen or Diana. This is not sponsored. I'm just mentioning them because they've always done a good job for me. So Diana or Maureen, they always do very good job, very nice, excellent customer service. So you can always stop by there if you're in Kisumu and you want to make your nails. You can stop by Kucha Kisumu. So on this day I decided to go with the black color. Initially I wanted like the hot pink purplish, but they had run out of that color, so I decided to go with black, which turned out really nice. I think I will explore this more often. I always like nude colors. Actually, I don't like loud colors, so most of the time I'm always doing nude colors or neutral colors, and I liked how the black turned out. So I'm back home and my daughter really wanted a cake, so I decided let me make her a cake because I was also craving a cake. So actually I decided to make her a cake, but the worst happened. Just in the middle of me putting the cake in the oven, after 20 minutes down the line, the electricity went off for like an hour. Guys, I really got devastated, but at the end of the day, the cake did not turn out so badly, but it did not turn out the way I wanted. Yeah.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. With that broken mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to your keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. Jump on, jealousy, my bad. Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
So guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your support. And as much as the community is still small, I really appreciate the few of you who have believed in me and who are supporting me. Thank you so much. And if you've just stumbled in this video and it is your first time being here, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, and just help me grow. I'm only asking you to help me reach 100, just 100, before the end of this April. So I can only reach 100 with your support. It is you who can help me reach there. So please consider subscribing if it is your first time stumbling into my video, and even you can go ahead and watch my other videos. And I am open to ideas and anything that can help me grow. So kindly subscribe. I'm so thankful, and I believe someday I'm going to reach to be monetized before the end of this year. So this was a few days later. I don't remember which day it was. So I'm just ready to leave for work, and that is the outfit of the day. That is how the cake turned out. I want to take breakfast, My son is also taking breakfast. My daughter had taken breakfast and she took it with the cake. So it didn't turn out so badly, but it did not turn out the way I wanted. So I'm taking my breakfast with tea. I made this tea with pineapple. It is in one of the shorts that I had made, so you can go check it out. It is really nice. So that is my son. He's also taking his breakfast. So after that, later on that day, this was in the evening, I came back home and I decided to make supper. I first started by tenderizing the meat by just heating it to that. I don't know how it's called. It has escaped me. But then I tenderized it that way. And then I just wanted to make it whole. Something like a pot roast, but this is not the exact pot roast. But I used the idea of a pot roast to make it. So I first tenderized it, then I just cut it into those big chunks, and then I marinated it. And as you can see, you'll see as you proceed in watching the video, the meat really turned out so yummy. And the best part of it is that my kids also loved it. That is the essence of motherhood, actually. When you cook and your kids love the food that you cooked, it's really fulfilling. So guys, thank you so much for being here one more time, and just reminding you, subscribe if you haven't. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for your support. You are the best. I really appreciate. If you're a Christian, may God bless you. And if you are not, I wish you all the best. May all go well with you. Thank you so much. So share my videos, like, leave a comment. I'm open to ideas. Just leave a comment below. I really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? So take it, 기도해. 왠지 견내려 해. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게 살지를 못해? Keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. 쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서 어둠 속의 light 붙잡아 진실한 나만의 beliefs. 사랑만 그득한 이 앉아 내 마음속에 새겨둔 작은 위로를 더 꺼내야 나. 우울함의 파도를 가라앉혀. But when you feel like giving up, remember, keep walking your way, don't look back. 너만의 길이야. Even when you fall, don't look back. 사실은 말이야. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 'Cause it's only yours. Only yours, yeah. Nobody knows. Finally don't get enough. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for